Your gold and silver jewelry turns black, don't rush to a jewelry store to clean it. Be careful, half of your gold may disappear. 1. What to do with tarnished silver jewelry. Put a piece of aluminum foil in a bowl with some toothpaste, a spoon of table salt, some white vinegar, and finally add warm water. Stir it slowly and put your tarnished silver jewelry in. The water will turn black, but look at the results, your silver jewelry is shining like new. 2. Place your gold jewelry into a bowl. Add an appropriate amount of table salt and baking soda, then pour in white vinegar. Stir with a chopstick. After a sufficient reaction, take it out and wipe it with a cotton paper towel. Look at it, it's shining brilliantly. 3. Prepare a cup with some soap bubbles, add a suitable amount of toothpaste, and pour in white vinegar. Stir until the soap is dissolved. Put the necklace in and stir for a few minutes. Then rinse with clean water, and finally, dry it with a paper towel. Your platinum necklace will look bright and new. 4. Your diamond ring has lost its previous luster after being worn for a long time. Prepare a bowl of 30-degree warm water and add dish soap. Soak it for 10 minutes, then use your partner's toothbrush to brush it. Afterwards, put it in clean water to rinse, then dry it with a paper towel. You'll see it's regained its previous luster. 5. Follow me to learn more handy tips.